All right, let us quickly solve this question. They say which is bigger? Which of these is bigger? 222 raised to power 333 or 333 raised to power 222. Okay, this is very simple. What to do is we reduce this to be 111. Okay, we know that this thing is simple as saying 2 times 111 everything raised to power 333. Okay, or this one is simple as saying 3 times 111 everything is raised to power what? 222. Okay, now in this one, now let us split this according to indices. This is 2 raised to power 333 times 111 raised to power 333, or do the same thing here again. This one is simple as saying 3 raised to power 222 times 111 raised to power 222. Now, let us make this one to be in terms of 222. Okay. We know that this is something as saying okay, this is something as saying 222. Okay. Okay, let us make this to be in terms of 111. I'm going to have that this is 2 raised to power 3 all raised to power 111. Okay, times 111 all raised to power what? 333. I'm coming. Or now for this one is going to be 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power 111 times 111 raised to power what? Raised to power 222. Okay, now I'm going to have that this thing is 8. This is 8 raised to power 111. Okay, times 111 raised to power. Let me make this to be in terms of this 111 raised to power. This is 3 sorry, this is 222 plus 111. 222 plus 111 will still give me back 333. Okay, so or now for this one I'm having 9 raised to power 111. Okay, times 111 raised to power what? 222. Okay, now if you look at this now, this is going to be let us separate that. Okay, if I separate this, I'm going to have 8 raised to power 111 times 8 raised to power 111 times 111 raised to power 222 times 111 raised to power 111. Okay, so now this is or I'm going to have 9 raised to power 111 times 111 raised to power what? 222. Now 111 raised to power 111 will give us what do we have now? Okay, now these two now are factorizable. If you look at this, these two are factorizable. So if I factorize these two, I'm going to have 8 times 111 everything raised to power 111. Okay, then times 111 raised to power what? 222. Okay, then or bring this one down, 9 raised to power 111 times 111 raised to power what? 222. So this time this will give you 888 all raised to power what? 111 times 111 raised to power what? 222, or 9 raised to power 111. Okay, then times 111 raised to power what? 222. Now if you compare this now, you will see that this one is bigger. Why? Because this and this are the same thing. This is raised to power 111 raised to power 111, and then 888 is greater than 9. Okay, so since 888 is greater than 9, therefore 222 raised to power 333 is greater than 333 raised to power 222. So that is that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.